What if menopause caused you to yawn 30 to 50 times every single day? Not from tiredness, but from your brain struggling to get enough oxygen. Picture this. You're in an important work meeting, presenting your ideas with confidence and energy. Then, the yawning starts. One after another, unstoppable and embarrassing. Your colleagues assume you're bored or exhausted, but you're completely alert and engaged. The constant jaw stretching leads to painful muscle tension and headaches. Social conversations become awkward as people think you're not interested in what they're saying. Your professional reputation starts suffering because others misinterpret your involuntary response. Here's what's really happening. Declining estrogen during menopause affects how your brain regulates breathing patterns and oxygen levels. Your body responds by triggering excessive yawning to increase oxygen intake. This seemingly small symptom can seriously impact your social and professional relationships. But once you understand the hormonal connection, effective treatments become available. Knowledge transforms embarrassment into empowerment and solutions.